Introducing the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Designed to reflect your unique spirit, the Wrangler brings solid power, efficiency, safety, and rugged innovation to all your adventures. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, navigation system, keyless entry, remote engine start, heated mirrors, premium sound system, fog lamps, backup camera. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.